Hey guys, it's Nature Walk, where you walk you through about nature. I'm Natalie.
I'm Luke.
And today is August 26th, 2017. And it's summer. So,
yeah,
there's that tree.
In
as you
New
can see,
Jersey,
grass is all green.
Yeah.
New Jersey's about 73 degrees, all sunny weather.
About 3:30 p.m.
This is our very heavy forest. We have a very, very nice forest.
It's like a jungle or something.
Yeah, it's really populated with plants. Yeah, so we just
starting in about a month.
Yeah, September. Actually, yeah, in a month, September 26th, right?
Yeah, I think it starts September 21st.
Yeah. Well, anyway,
Have a nice very special tree.
which we might actually be cutting down and replacing with another tree because, as you can see, it's very old. So yeah. Also, we got a tripod now, so we should be more professional when we are recording these.
Yeah.
And our final thing is that we apologize that we haven't uploaded in a while.
Yeah.
It's just because we just haven't gotten to it, and we've been pretty much busy all summer. Yeah, we just rarely have time to, get outside and record before it's nighttime. So, yeah, we found a nice day, as you can see, blue skies.
Not really any clouds.
Oh yeah, by the way, we did watch the solar eclipse. That was amazing.
Yeah.
But we didn't see the full one in New Jersey.
Yeah.
But
you have to be in the path.
yeah, but it was just amazing to watch with the moon went from the sun.
Yeah.
But anyway,
There's a little off center. Fine.
anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new.
And comment down below if you like nature or not.
Anyway, stay wild. Peace out.
Bye guys.